Hello everyone, welcome to the Hall of Fame of Skylark Institute of Travel. We have Vaibhav Sharma with us and I request Vaibhav to tell us about himself.
Hi ma'am, I am Vaibhav Sharma and I am from Karnal. After graduation, I have started my airfare and ticketing online course from Skylark Institute and I gained a lot of knowledge from this course and the staff is also very cooperative. They help me in solving all the problems.
So Vaibhav, you're from Karnal.
Yes ma'am.
Why did you want to opt for online course?
Online course because it is comfortable to do at your home during these pandemic conditions of COVID. So it is better. My family suggested me to do this course at home.
What do you do in your professional life?
We have our own tour and travel company, so I think this course is mandatory. It helped me a lot to gain a lot of knowledge, to explore various things. हमारे business को भी आगे बढ़ाने में बहुत ज़्यादा help करती है. ओवरऑल बहुत बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा इस कोर्स में और स्टाफ के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा.
Do you feel confident कि जो कुछ आपको इस कोर्स में सिखाया गया है that will help you in your business and आप और आगे इस चीज को ले जाना चाहेंगे?
Yes ma'am, I am totally satisfied और मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ बाकी लोगों को भी कि Skylark Institute से ये कोर्स करें आप और it will help you in your future.
Vaibhav, what is it that you learned in this course which you didn't know earlier?
Ma'am, various tour and travel agency operations they taught me and the main motive of this course is airfare and ticketing management. They taught us about GDS system. मैंने सुना था GDS के बारे में बट मैंने आपके यहाँ से सीखा है GDS के लिए सिखाया है.
So I'm glad that you did it from us and मैं चाहूँगी कि आपका travel and tourism का business काफ़ी अच्छा चले. We are always here. कोई भी अगर in case you need any help, we will always be there. So all the best and take care. Thank you so much, Vaibhav.